Welcome, Professor Han. Nice to meet you. I know that you are involved in a SERS application in your research line. Could you please give us a short introduction about yourself and your research line?
Okay. Hi, hello. My name is An Qi. I'm a professor in Chinese University of Geosciences. I'm a chemist by training, and I now work in School of Materials Science and Engineering. I work with SERS, Surface Enhanced Raman Spectrum. My focus is to develop effective substrate to enhance the Raman intensity for successful SERS detection.
Okay. I know that SERS has been already applied in application for quality control on foods, identification of drugs, thanks to the introduction on the market about handheld instruments like the Zolix ones, the handheld Raman spectrometers. Could you please tell us which are the main characteristics and the minimal specification that you look for such kind of instruments?
I think the most popular version of Raman spectrum is the Raman spectrometer that we widely use in the market for quality control. The handheld one, that's a regular Raman spectroscopy, but the pros and cons, of course, the pros is that it detects molecules in a fast way, and almost all types of a wide range of molecules will give a Raman signal, so it's widely applicable. But the cons, of course, is that the intensity of regular Raman spectrum is low. It can be used to detect like the powder. If we have a white powder of something, it tells you what's the component of the powder. But if the molecule of interest is low in concentration, such as the pesticide residues in food or the dyes in food that should not be able to use in food, these molecules are used in low concentrations. The regular Raman spectrum are not so powerful to tell this tiny amount of molecules. And surface enhanced Raman spectrum will show the signal, will intensify the regular Raman signal and tell us the molecular components, even if they exist in very low quality. I think that's a special contribution of surface enhanced Raman spectrum. The regular Raman spectrum is more or less popular, and I think it's find wide applications. What I hope for is that we develop effective SERS technology and can detect small amount of molecules, and that's of course are useful in wider range of applications.
Okay, interesting. So you would suggest Zolix instruments?
Yes, I'm a Zolix user. I think their instruments are quite reliable. For example, I'm a chemist by training. I'm not so deep into the physical aspect of the instrument. What I need is that the instruments are reliable and easy to handle. So actually, the Zolix instruments meet these requirements. Since in my lab, I have like 20, 30 students. They need to use the machine frequently. What I'm happy about is that I don't need to worry about the instrumental performance. My students can always handle these instruments, and they only deliver me with the results.
Okay. Thanks a lot. It's been a pleasure.
Been a pleasure.